Ladies and gentlemen, the 7th award this evening. Now, this is the PCF Young Pasifika Female of Influence Award, sponsored by the Ministry for Women. Now, I'm going to invite Renee Graham to come forward, please. Here we go. How's it going, Renee? Now, this award recognises a young New Zealand Pacific female who has demonstrated strong leadership attributes and bringing to light prominent issues affecting New Zealand Pacific youth or New Zealand Pacific community. Now, this award will also consider a nominee who has broken barriers using their talents in whatever field they are passionate about. Drum roll, please. Lovely people. The winner, or the award, goes to Sana Ditta. A round of applause. She's making her way forward. Now, Sana is a 23-year-old proud New Zealand-born Indo-Fijian who grew up in Christchurch. She is a new primary school teacher who is passionate about nurturing children and helping them believe they are capable of anything. Sana feels privileged to be educating the next generation of thinkers and wants them to feel confident in their cultural identity. Ladies and gentlemen, Sana. A round of applause.
Kia ora everybody, talofa lava. I just want to say thank you to Pacific Corporation for organising this event. I've met so many amazing young people who are doing brilliant things. I'd also like to thank the Ministry of Women for sponsoring this award. And I also want to thank my parents and my grandma, my mum, dad and grandma for coming down from Christchurch to be with me. My late grandfather, who's no longer with us. I'd also like to thank my sister who's back in Christchurch. After the events of March 15th, it's been a really challenging year for my family, and being directly affected and then receiving this award has been a really huge honour. And I'm going to continue to advocate issues that I'm passionate about, which is racism. And I'm so privileged to be in a position where I'm educating young children to be confident in their identity, and this is something I'm going to continue to advocate for, so thank you so much. I feel so privileged.